Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing the app and signing in with your Microsoft account. This connects everything. Once signed in, create a family group and immediately add members using their email or phone so they receive invites. Make sure child accounts are set as kids because that unlocks parental controls. Enable location permissions and device access during setup. Those are necessary for real-time location and screen time enforcement. Now that devices are linked, move to configuring limits and filters. Now you configure the detailed controls that actually shape device use. Start with screen time, create weekday and weekend schedules, set daily limits per device, and enforce bedtime so devices lock automatically. Next, set content filters, turn on safe search, block categories by age, and whitelist or blacklist sites. Then add app and game limits per title or category and require purchase approvals so you control spending. Once these are active, check activity, reporting to see what to tweak. Finish by reviewing activity reports and location history so you can fine-tune rules. You'll learn patterns and make targeted changes. Enable notifications for requests and approvals so you respond quickly when a child asks for more time or a new app. Make sure family members sign into their Microsoft accounts on each device and keep the app and OS updated. If syncing fails, relink the device, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app. Those steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.